how to fix your PrizePicks account disabled in PrizePicks. Now, if you use PrizePicks and your account has been disabled for some reason and you're not sure what is the reason that it is getting disabled for. Now, one thing that you can try to do is you can simply try to contact the customer support. You could now go ahead and then first of all open your browser and just go ahead and then type in PrizePicks customer support. And once you've done that, you should be able to see their help center. Once you come to their help center, over here you'll find any sort of issues that you have. Now, if you're having issues with your account, select the type of account from there. You should be able to get in touch with one of the customer representatives of PrizePicks, and they should be able to help you regarding your account details. This way you should be able to fix if your PrizePicks account has been disabled. Now, sometimes if it is just temporary, in that case your account could regain access within a couple of days because it is a temporary disabling and it will get lifted automatically. But either way, I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.